back to the channel. I don't know if you can tell, some of you from Colorado might be able to tell where we're at today. We're at Bandimere, baby. Got the car on the dyno yesterday, which you guys saw that. Should put that up at the beginning of the video. Made it a little conservative, about what, 789 on 44 pounds of boost. So, but yeah, we're here at the track today. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Working on getting the car unloaded, and then we're gonna make some rips down the track. Kind of getting goosebumps just thinking about it. So yeah, try to record as much as we can. We're gonna be busy, running around like a madman. First time kind of tuning the Haltech at the track, so I'm gonna have my hands full. So hopefully the car does well. We gotta get it off the trailer, get the slicks on there, and get it over to tech, and then just check over everything, make sure we're ready to go. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this is a good video. All right, we got the first one out the way. I mean, it wasn't the best pass. I wasn't expecting to be a really fast pass, but yeah, we didn't really launch it, and then we just kind of short shifted through the rest of the gears. I mean, at 13.8 at 123, it's moving on the back up, obviously, but I mean, nothing impressive. And I wasn't trying to do nothing impressive. I was just trying to get the first one out the way and kind of get a feel for it. So. Straining the catch cam right now. Like it. Did a lot come out? Get that drained. Make sure that the oil's topped off, and then let this thing cool down for a second. We'll get back in the lanes. No. No, 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 no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. So third pass in the car. You want to focus? Yeah, we went at 10.3 at 132. Obviously got the launch down a little bit better, 1.5. Still tons of room for improvement, and still more power to be turned up in the car. So, whew, just needed a night of sleep. Last night was a little rough. We had an issue with the generator, not charging the battery, so the battery died on us. 16-volt system. So, 16-volt system, no alternator. So need this guy to keep the battery charged. So we only got 2 passes in last night. Battery died. I couldn't launch it or shit last night. Just needed some sleep. First hit out tonight. Said a little 1.5. Wasn't too shabby. So I'm gonna get the car turned around, get it cooled off, and then we'll hop back in the lanes for test number 4.
Just a contender there, Garfield Marsh Lane for the Rockstar interview.
All right, guys, just got done making, what was that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th pass in the car. Still just getting the launch down, man. It's tricky. So that last one we went 12.2 at 132 miles an hour. Is another 1.7 60 foot. So I just gotta get this launch down. I might be buying one of those like hydraulic slipper solenoids to put on the car to help with the launch. But we got it back in the pits. Tossing the trailer tires on it, and then we're gonna call it a night. So hopefully we'll be back testing here in a week, getting the cage certified on Saturday. So hopefully next Wednesday we can maybe turn it up a little bit more and see if we can get deep into the 9s. I know we only ran a 10.3. We'll try for a 9.3. But so bro, thank you guys for watching. You know the rules: like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and catch you guys on the next one.